Have you ever noticed something small that others missed, like the tiny difference between two colors or sounds? That means you can distinguish things really well. Let's learn more about this sharp and clever word. Today's word is distinguish. Can you say it with me? Distinguish. Let's spell it together. Ready? D-I-S-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H. That spells distinguish. Distinguish means to recognize or show the difference between things. It's what helps you tell things apart by paying close attention. Here are some words that mean the same as distinguish. Say them with me. Differentiate, like telling the difference between two shades of blue. Identify, like figuring out which sound came from which instrument. Discern, like noticing small clues that others might miss. Separate, like sorting your crayons by color. Recognize, like remembering your friend's voice in a crowd. Each one shows how distinguishing details helps you notice the world more clearly. Now let's look at the opposites of distinguish. Confuse, like mixing up two things that aren't the same. Mix up, like thinking one person's book belongs to another. Combine, like blending different things until you can't tell them apart. Ignore, like not paying attention to details at all. Unite, like grouping things together instead of separating them. That's what happens when we don't take the time to distinguish differences. Here's a great example. Sofia could distinguish between the twins because one always laughed louder than the other. Let's review. Distinguish means to recognize or show the difference between things. Synonyms include differentiate, identify, discern, separate, and recognize. Antonyms include confuse, mix up, combine, ignore, and unite. Distinguishing details makes you sharp, like noticing clues a detective would find. Your challenge: distinguish between two similar things today, like flavors, sounds, or shapes. Your attention to detail is your superpower. Keep observing, keep thinking, and keep learning. See you next time for another Word Up with Sofia.